Yeah, I think it's nice to have a whole menu of things, and sometimes in the moment it's hard to think. For a certain generation and demographic, a mass card is wholly appropriate. I am a fan of simpler cards that don't have a verse on them and that we write our own message. But again, some of us get awkward around that. So a simple message that says, thinking of you, and we can add our own piece. Emily McDowell in the States has done a fantastic range of cards through serious illness, right through bereavement. And my favourite card that she does says, there is no good card for this. I think that's a great card. I wish I had thought of it. We also do here in the hospice, we have a bereavement pin, just like a little symbol that people can wear either on significant dates or times that they're feeling a bit vulnerable. And that came out of the idea that we let go of our mourning rituals around wearing black or wearing a black armband. I remember that in Cork. So either wearing a bereavement pin ourselves or offering one to somebody can be a way of acknowledging it without, as you're saying, the mass card. I think we need an array of things. Sometimes a pot plant can be nice, or, you know, we need to think a little bit outside the box. But here in the Hospice Foundation, we have worked on having sort of an array of things that people can have. We did a book another time on Irish stories of loss and hope. It's not one size fits all. Sometimes people aren't in the humour to read anyone else's stories, but there can be a time that leafing through it you might find something that resonates for you, or someone has written something and you think, I could imagine that, or that's helpful to think of it that way. So there are some of the possibilities. To be honest, I don't think you can beat go in and buy a blank card and put your own message on it.